Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Hey, how are you today?
I am doing great today.
What are you doing now?
I am relaxing at home.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
Are you free this afternoon?
Yes, I am free today.
Want to grab coffee together?
Yes, coffee sounds great.
Did you watch anything interesting yesterday?
Yes, I watched a funny movie.
How was your day today?
My day was very busy.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, I feel much better.
Do you want to hang out?
Yes, let's hang out.
What are your plans tonight?
I plan to relax tonight.
Did you finish your work today?
Yes, I finished everything today.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the grocery store.
Do you like this weather today?
Yes, the weather feels amazing.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, cooking at home relaxes me.
Are you busy this weekend?
No, I am free weekend.
Want to watch a movie tonight?
Yes, movie night sounds fun.
Do you like comedy movies?
Yes, I love comedy movies.
What music do you like?
I like pop music mostly.
Do you listen to music daily?
Yes, I listen every day.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Did you call your family today?
Yes, I called them earlier.
Do you exercise every morning?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
Are you learning something new?
Yes, I learn English daily.
What book are you reading?
I am reading a travel book.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, books help me relax.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee in mornings.
Did you try that new cafe?
Yes, that cafe was amazing.
Do you like traveling often?
Yes, traveling is very exciting.
Where do you want travel?
I want to travel California.
Have you visited New York?
No, I have not yet.
Do you enjoy road trips?
Yes, road trips are fun.
What place do you love?
I love peaceful mountain places.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, beaches are beautiful.
Do you enjoy mountain hiking?
Yes, hiking mountains feels refreshing.
Have you tried camping before?
Yes, camping was very fun.
Do you like outdoor adventures?
Yes, outdoor adventures excite me.
Do you take many photos?
Yes, I take many photos.
Do you use social media daily?
Yes, I check daily.
What app do you use most?
I mostly use Instagram app.
Do you like posting pictures?
Yes, I enjoy sharing photos.
Did you see my post?
Yes, I saw your post.
Do you enjoy funny videos?
Yes, funny videos make laugh.
Do you watch YouTube often?
Yes, I watch YouTube often.
What channel do you like?
I like educational channels most.
Do you learn from videos?
Yes, videos teach many things.
Do you share videos often?
Yes, I share interesting videos.
Do you like short videos?
Yes, short videos are fun.
What did you watch today?
I watched travel videos today.
Do you like sports games?
Yes, sports games are exciting.
What sport do you enjoy?
I enjoy soccer the most.
Do you watch basketball games?
Yes, basketball games are fun.
Do you like playing soccer?
Yes, soccer is very fun.
Do you play sports weekly?
Yes, I play weekly.
Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Messi.
Did your team win yesterday?
Yes, my team won yesterday.
Do you enjoy watching live games?
Yes, live games feel exciting.
Do you exercise at gym?
Yes, I visit gym often.
Do you like healthy food?
Yes, healthy food feels great.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples and bananas.
Do you eat vegetables daily?
Yes, vegetables are very healthy.
Do you cook dinner often?
Yes, I cook dinner often.
What is your favorite meal?
My favorite meal is pasta.
Do you enjoy fast food?
Sometimes I enjoy fast food.
Have you tried sushi before?
Yes, sushi tastes very delicious.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, spicy food excites me.
Do you like chocolate cake?
Yes, chocolate cake tastes great.
Have you baked cake before?
Yes, I baked cake once.
Do you enjoy cooking experiments?
Yes, cooking experiments are fun.
Do you watch cooking shows?
Yes, cooking shows inspire me.
Do you learn recipes online?
Yes, I learn recipes online.
Do you cook for friends?
Yes, I cook for friends.
Do you enjoy dinner parties?
Yes, dinner parties feel joyful.
Have you hosted friends before?
Yes, I hosted friends before.
Do you like music parties?
Yes, music parties are exciting.
Do you dance at parties?
Yes, dancing feels very fun.
Do you like loud music?
Sometimes I like loud music.
Do you sing with friends?
Yes, singing together feels fun.
Do you play instruments?
Yes, I play guitar sometimes.
What instrument can you play?
I can play guitar well.
Did you practice music today?
Yes, I practiced music today.
Do you enjoy relaxing music?
Yes, relaxing music helps me.
What song do you love?
I love classic pop songs.
Do you sing in car?
Yes, I sing in car.
Do you enjoy long drives?
Yes, long drives relax me.
Where do you drive often?
I drive around the city.
Do you like night drives?
Yes, night drives feel peaceful.
Do you enjoy city lights?
Yes, city lights look beautiful.
Do you like quiet places?
Yes, quiet places calm me.
Do you visit parks often?
Yes, parks feel refreshing.
Do you walk every morning?
Yes, I walk every morning.
Do you enjoy fresh air?
Yes, fresh air feels amazing.
Do you watch sunrise sometimes?
Yes, sunrise looks beautiful.
Do you enjoy sunsets too?
Yes, sunsets feel magical.
Do you take evening walks?
Yes, evening walks relax me.
Do you like talking daily?
Yes, talking daily feels nice.
Do you call friends often?
Yes, I call friends often.
Do you enjoy deep conversations?
Yes, deep conversations feel meaningful.
Do you share ideas often?
Yes, sharing ideas inspires me.
Do you enjoy learning together?
Yes, learning together feels motivating.
Do you help friends often?
Yes, helping friends feels great.
Do you ask friends advice?
Yes, friends give great advice.
Do you support your friends?
Yes, I always support them.
Do you trust close friends?
Yes, I trust close friends.
Do you appreciate good friends?
Yes, good friends are valuable.
How long have we met?
We met 3 years ago.
Do you remember our first meeting?
Yes, I remember that day.
Was that day very funny?
Yes, it was very funny.
Do you remember that trip?
Yes, that trip was amazing.
Did we laugh a lot?
Yes, we laughed a lot.
Do you miss those days?
Yes, I miss those days.
Should we travel again soon?
Yes, we should travel again.
Do you enjoy planning trips?
Yes, planning trips feels exciting.
Where should we travel next?
We should travel California next.
Do you like beach vacations?
Yes, beach vacations feel relaxing.
Do you enjoy mountain vacations?
Yes, mountain vacations feel peaceful.
Do you prefer quiet towns?
Yes, quiet towns feel comfortable.
Do you like busy cities?
Yes, busy cities feel exciting.
Do you enjoy exploring places?
Yes, exploring places feels fun.
Do you take travel photos?
Yes, travel photos capture memories.
Do you write travel notes?
Yes, travel notes help remember.
Do you share travel stories?
Yes, stories inspire other travelers.
Do you love adventure trips?
Yes, adventure trips excite me.
Should we plan something soon?
Yes, let's plan something soon.
Are you excited already?
Yes, I feel very excited.
Do you enjoy meeting people?
Yes, meeting people feels interesting.
Do you make friends easily?
Yes, I make friends easily.
Do you like friendly chats?
Yes, friendly chats feel nice.
Do you enjoy simple moments?
Yes, simple moments feel special.
Do you value good friendship?
Yes, friendship is very valuable.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, helping others feels rewarding.
Do you stay positive daily?
Yes, positivity improves daily life.
Do you smile often?
Yes, I smile very often.
Do you laugh with friends?
Yes, laughing with friends feels great.
Do you enjoy life daily?
Yes, life feels beautiful daily.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will finish work.
Are you free tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, afternoon works perfectly.
Want to meet tomorrow evening?
Yes, evening meeting sounds great.
Should we drink coffee tomorrow?
Yes, coffee tomorrow sounds perfect.
Do you want lunch together?
Yes, lunch together sounds fun.
Should we watch movie tomorrow?
Yes, movie tomorrow sounds exciting.
Shall we hang out tomorrow?
Yes, let's hang out tomorrow.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I am ready tomorrow.